to Hurricane Harvey, now a tropical storm. Almost 52 inches of rain, Eric said a moment ago, in one part of Texas.
Which is just mind-boggling.
Yes.
And Eric, you're saying it's finally at that point where it's just picking up a little bit of a pace.
Just a little bit, and we'll take it. It's been nearly stationary, just drifting over these last several days. It's only about 200 miles away from where it came ashore. That was 4 days ago. Now it's moving at 6 miles per hour, which you can still probably jog faster than that, but it will increase in its forward speed as we work our way into the day tomorrow. It'll make another landfall right near the Texas-Louisiana border late tonight, and then you see it accelerate off to the north and east, weakening as it does so, bringing some rain to the middle of the country, and eventually some showers here to New England on Sunday. But we'll be looking at the heaviest of the rainfall starting to leave southeastern Texas after tonight. We have a new lower 48 rainfall record. These are records by state for the most rain from a tropical cyclone. You see Florida and Texas were the top placeholders, and this one just beats out Amelia back in 1979. So far, 51.88 inches of rain. Now, there's another storm system that we are watching, and that's right along the eastern seaboard. This had a small window to become Tropical Storm Irma. That's not going to happen now. Not a tropical system. Now it's going to be more like a nor'easter type of event, and we're right on the edge of it. So a lot of this rain that we see off to the south, most of it stays off to our south. Most of our rainfall will be right along the south coast, Cape Cod, and the islands tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Might get a few raindrops around the Boston area overnight tonight, but not expecting much, 1/10 of an inch or less. And temperatures will be in the 50s. We have a chance of up to an inch on the Cape, as well as Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. So here's a look at the timing. That rain starting to push in as we head through the overnight, but it really just kind of gets to southeastern Mass and stops. So north and west of Boston, I'm really not expecting anything, really barely any impact from this storm at all. The highest amounts of rain, the strongest winds, will be on Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. Still raining tomorrow morning, and then we'll clear out from west to east as the morning goes on, and everyone's into the sunshine tomorrow afternoon. That'll allow temperatures to rebound. In terms of wind speeds, max gusts out of the northeast at 30 to 45 miles per hour. Mid-Cape to the outer Cape, Nantucket, and Martha's Vineyard, you see how those winds really decrease the farther north and west you go. Big wind field will be expanding with this storm system. You can see how we're right on the very edge of it, and then it's going to become a hurricane force area of low pressure in the North Atlantic. That's going to bring us some rough surf. So a high surf advisory is up from this evening through tomorrow evening at least. A high risk of rip currents tomorrow, so be very careful in the water. And offshore wave heights will build to 10 to 15 feet, especially for mariners heading off toward the south and east of Nantucket. So use a lot of caution in the water for tomorrow. Now, as the sun comes out, temperatures respond up into the 70s, a little bit milder than the cool fall day we had today. And then as we look toward Thursday, we get back to 80 degrees. Cold front moves in Thursday afternoon, brings a couple of rain showers, not many with it. And then we've got a very cool start to the Labor Day holiday weekend. Most towns will stay in the 60s on Friday. It'll be brisk and breezy outside. A little bit of a rebound on Saturday. A nice day to be outdoors. Sunday brings some rain showers. Again, some of the remnants of Harvey will be mixed in there. And then your beach day for this holiday weekend is Monday, low 80s for Labor Day. Guys, back to you.
Kind of another taste of summer there. Eric, thank you.